Welcome to another episode of Cheapskate Nation. This one's going to be a short little episode. I've wanted to do this for a while now. I finally got my parts cleaner put together. And what better to put in it than Harbor Freight Degreaser. So what we're going to do is we're going to see how well this Harbor Freight Degreaser works. We're going to put it in the old parts washing tank, and we're going to see how well it takes the grease off of LS heads. Here we got the LS head. Just wanted to give you an example of how greasy it is. I mean, well, that fell in the dirt. But I mean, that's pretty damn greasy. So we're gonna go ahead and load up the parts washer with some cleaner. And we're gonna make it a heavy duty concentrate. We're gonna put in 3 jugs of it. And we're gonna give it a light coating and see what happens. Come back to it tomorrow. We got 1 jug of cleaner in there. Here comes the second. Right there. Now, I do got to fill it up so it's past the, or full on the line there, or the pump there. So I might have to add some water, but this is going to be 3 gallons of degreaser in here, cut with a little bit of water. Now, a lot of people told me to run diesel in my parts cleaner. I heard that works good. I really just didn't want anything that was super flammable in my garage as a degreaser, as a cleaning agent, and I never bothered to read this. So let me read it real quick. All right, perfect. Non-abrasive, non-flammable, biodegradable surfactant. I don't know what that surfactant means. But what I do know is if I dump this out in the yard or if it goes anywhere else, I'm probably going to be okay. It's not like dumping motor oil in the middle of the street or down a storm drain. So we're going to be all right there. So, we got the damn thing going. We used 4 gallons of water, 3 gallons of degreaser, and it finally was enough to not make the pump aerate. I didn't want to use that much water, but that is what it is. Let's go ahead and throw the head in. I'll get back. Well, I feel like I need to be wearing some kind of suit here because this thing's got some splashback, and yeah, the heads don't really fit in there. I think that's what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull out the tray, put it aside, but look down in there, stuff's already coming off of it. So this might work. I think the real gauge will be, we look down in there, it looks pretty clear. You can see the yellow bottom. If it looks black under there, we'll know it's working good. And for the sake of this video, we're only doing 1 head. The other one's equally as greasy, so if you want to see me do a follow-up video with the already diluted degreaser after we're doing 1 head, and comment that down below. And while you're at it, make sure you like and subscribe. I really appreciate you. Alright, so we got the head down in here, just like that. The question is, do I do a little bit of light scrubbing on it or not? I think maybe this side's identified with a bracket. Maybe I flip it over and do a little light scrubbing on this side to see if that helps it versus that side. Let's do that. So I'm going to prop the head up like this. It wants to fall over. Hold on. That's like, kind of like what you can see how it is. I kind of started scrubbing right here, but just a good before, and we'll get an after shot. So remember, we're just scrubbing the half that's got the bracket on it. It seems to be coming off fairly well. I don't know. Just a light scrub. I don't want it. The whole point of this parts cleaner is I don't have to work at it anymore.
Set it and you forget about it.
Yeah, she's coming off. Well, this is kind of the bad spot. Right here.
Set it and you forget about it.
But I guess you can kind of see already that light scrubbing is helping. Harbor Freight Degreaser. Man, I'm kind of impressed right now myself. Lack of effort, the lazy man's way. I mean, look at that. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and submerge this, and we'll come back to it tomorrow. All right, so it's been roughly 24 hours since I soaked the head into the bath. Let's go check. Wow, that's taken a lot of crap off of it. Let me get some gloves on, get back to you. Okay, so this side, remember, it was no scrubbing. This side was scrubbing. So I think with just a little bit of elbow grease, everything else can get cleaned up pretty good. Let me grab the scrub brush. Oh, it comes off like, you know what, I'm satisfied with this stuff. I really am. I mean, a little bit of scrubbing just with a little bit on there from yesterday did pretty good. But that's looking really good. Let me flip the head over real quick, 1 second. Okay, so this side's looking really clean too. It's got some weird, like, chunky stuff on it. I mean, I don't know what that is. But I mean, I'm happy. I'm gonna use this stuff probably religiously. Probably never change it out. But you could definitely tell it did something to the cleaner in here because it turned it black. All of it. Okay, so this side's looking really clean too. It's got some weird, like, chunky stuff on it. I mean, I don't know what that is. But I mean, I'm happy. I'm gonna use this stuff probably religiously. Probably never change it out. But you could definitely tell it did something to the cleaner in here because it turned it black. All of it. On this episode of Cheapskate Nation, we're going to show you how to wear a degreaser. Pretty happy with this. So here's a little before and after comparison of them. That one looked just like that one. I would say Harbor Freight Degreaser for the win. Now it's time to get the other one in. Soak it for 24 hours. I should have done them both at the same time, but then it wouldn't be a comparison. Comment, like, subscribe. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you next time.